Alright, so welcome back to the video. Alright, welcome back. It's a new week. Basically, what I was saying, I want to see a lower time frame, shift of structure, and a higher time frame engulfing. That's what we got. We got the lower time frame, shift of structure, higher time frame engulfing, rejection from this area. I'm currently in this trade. Um, I actually was in it a little bit ago. I forgot to film the video, but I figured I'd come on here and show this is my break of structure. This is my engulfing rejection from my area of interest. Um, yeah, simple as that. Stop loss above this price action right here, a few pips above it. And then, yeah, take profit is going to be daily structure, weekly structure. Sorry. Weekly structure point. So, gonna hold this one hopefully to this one. I'll most likely move my stop loss once I get to here. Don't want to be greedy. I want to end it right here at the end. So I'm in GBP CHF. I do like, what was it? USD CAD looks like it's starting to maybe do something. I don't know. I want to still see an engulfing on USD CAD. And I think that's the only other one I was looking at right now. And we are aiming for daily or weekly structure. So take profit 1 would be there, and this would be my final take profit. So that is the trade, the first trade for this week. Welcome, and let's make some money. Alright, so quick little trade update. We are still in GBP CHF. Currently have not hit our stop loss. We did take this little trade on a personal account, had a loss on that. I entered this trade after this 15-minute engulfing candlestick. It did start going in my direction, but we hit this level right here on the 4-hour, this huge resistance level, and we just also round psychological level 11,800, and we've just been rejecting it, or we were rejecting it last night, and then this morning looks like we had a rally up. I do believe this is still gonna come down, so we're just gonna continue to hold this trade. I may be inclined to close it if it starts showing me another struggle to break past this zone. What I want to see is like a huge push down through here, and that would be more ideal for me. That'd be what I'd be looking for. As of now, USD CAD daily time frame is bullish, so I will not be interested in sells off this zone anymore. I would like to see the daily time frame go bearish again, unless we get some crazy price action, but honestly I'm not that interested in USD CAD anymore. AUD did have our huge engulfing, but stop loss was not ideal for me, as well as we never came back up after that huge push. I do believe we may pull back up, and then I will be interested in taking the sell. That would be the 4-hour high or low. So the reason I didn't take this trade is because after this 4-hour engulfing, we never really got a pullback, and I was waiting for the pullback, and it just went. And meanwhile, I was already in GBP CHF from up here, and this is as we were going down. So I just realistically didn't want to add any more risk to the trade, I guess, or to the account. So I just chose not to take it. If we do have some sort of rejection from this area, pullback, and engulfing lower time frame shift of structure, and then an engulfing, I will take this trade. Okay, another trade update before work. We're still in this little zone right now, starting to consolidate in GBP CHF. I am in NZD as well. This one I am on a different account. I'm in a 100K funded, basically with Maven. So, but currently we're just still holding. I'm not really interested in anything else, to be honest. ADCHF, it pulled up last night, but it was a super quick retest. I didn't like it. USD CAD has broken through both our levels. We could potentially be looking for buys now that the daily time frame is bullish. Um, we would just need a pullback on this 4 hour to look for longs. AUD/USD is starting to get to one of our areas of interest, where we will be potentially interested in buys. NZD/USD is just fallen knife. Euro AUD is getting to our zone, so I just want to see. I honestly want to see it do something like this, come up, touch this zone, break, and retest so I can get my entry. USD JPY just took off from this zone. It looks like we rejected from this level. I just didn't get in the trade. USD CHF came down a lot lower, but still just didn't give me an entry at my area of interest. GBP NZD never pulled back to this level. It just continued to go up. AUD NZD just didn't take this trade. I'm glad I didn't. It does look like we are going up with this trade. Alright, so I just want to talk real quick. I did end up closing both of these trades. I just don't like the rejections. Didn't feel comfortable. I wanted to just take my 1 to 2s, get out for the week. We had a good week. It was beautiful. It's just last time we came here, and last time I hoped it would come down and fill the wick after the rejection. It didn't. So I'd rather wait and see if we get a better entry. I mean, honestly, this 1 hour engulfing, I probably would have taken. There's no lower time frame break of structure on the 30-minute, but on the 15-minute there is. But I also don't want to rush anything. Realistically, I didn't look at any other positions this week. I was really focused on these two. And USD CAD just blew through our area of interest. AUD/USD kept coming down. NZD/USD kept coming down. Euro GBP did pull up. I mean, realistically, I could have gotten in here, but I wasn't watching. I just wasn't watching this market. I was more invested in GBP CHF and NZD CHF. It does look like we do have the potential to keep coming down, but I didn't want to get hit with the swap fees and stuff. I was at work. We had this rejection. So I just decided against holding it. I'll take the profitable week. I'll put some clips right here. I did close, whatchamacallit. I did close the week in profit right here for, you could see our first trade on this account was a success. Closed 2.3%. That was a good week for NZD/CHF and GBP/CHF. So I will put all the numbers on the screen. I still have to fill out my funded account, and I will get the rest of the information for you. It's been a rough week, so I haven't been on the charts much. And the times that I was on the charts, I was more invested in these two pairs. All right. Well, this was honestly a great week. I'm currently doing a voiceover because my sound did not save or something. But I was basically saying we just had our first green week in like 8 weeks. We are being more patient. We only took one trade on each of the accounts. I did get a 100K account with Maven. I just wanted to kind of. Honestly, I just wanted another account. So I got it. And we're up 2.3% on the first phase of the Maven challenge. Goal is 8%, and we are up 0.13, which is a small gain, but it's a good gain because we are so behind on this challenge. We have lost so much, honestly, just slowly over and over again. So we're gonna be kind of slowly building it back up these first couple weeks, and hopefully we just start taking off from here. Just a lot of personal stuff going on, and so wasn't really on the charts much. The times that I was on the charts, I was just being a lot more selective, which is honestly just the way I need to be. Thank you guys for making it to the end of another video. I'm going to go ahead and try and get a Sunday breakdown out for you guys, but I am going to be pretty busy this weekend, so I'm not sure how that's going to work. It might end up being a Monday breakdown, but I will do my best to get a video out. You guys have a great weekend, and I will talk to you guys next week.